Good day people, I just want to show you something about the most common problems to the small capacity engines, small cars, especially 1.1s, 1.2, 1.3 to 1.5 and 6. Those are very common problem, especially sometimes when your car is on high mileage. It became like misfiring problem. Misfiring, sometimes you do all service, you do everything, you change lot of things, sensors, lot of things, sometimes it's still misfiring, like something like rough idling. So what I just want to show you something like to solve the problem, especially to those who fix their cars. Let me and yeah, what I did to my car, I changed plugs, and I also change oil. I changed some sensors that I was suspecting, and also I check all where I was thinking maybe the fault is there. So guess what? Let me show you what I did. I do all service that I was suspecting maybe I'm gonna win. I clean all the throttle body, and I change new plugs, and I do everything. I thought maybe it was a sensor. There was a sensor. They change all the sensors. I clean some sensors, and I do whatever. And after that, guess what? After all I done everything, I noticed the last thing. I wasn't change the plugs. I wasn't changing the HT cables, the plug HT cables. So guess what I did? I go to the one of other shop. Then I purchase my plugs. Then I just change. As you can see, I just change some other plugs. Let's change some other plugs. As you can see, I got other new plugs, and let me put it. After I finished to put my plugs, as you can see, my car is running smooth. Guess what? My car, it was running smooth. It was before, it was like misfiring, like shaking. Sometimes just want to like to cut off, but now my car is just running smoothly. As you can see, I changed plugs. Now my car is running smoothly. It's running smoothly. So that was the issue. Please, if you see this video is helpful, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like, share, comment. Thank you so much.